Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from NMWatch, and yes, we have another unboxing. So I've taken off the plastic from the box, so let's see what's inside the box. Oh, before that we should do a quick swatch check. I am today wearing the Steinhardt OVM, a cool looking homage watch. And what's in the box? Okay, so as you can see here, there are many Chinese writing over here. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. Oh yeah, I think it's very obvious, huh? So this is the oh man, this is difficult. Let me see if I can take this out like that. Okay, so this is a, what's this? They are giving me a Tevise box, watches since 1952. I don't know whether it's true or not. And the watch is in here. Alright, so oh my god. Okay, so wow, that's not bad. You know what? So let's take this one out. And yep, we have this blue Rolex Submariner homage, and oh, it's already running. So I kind of forgot, I can't remember the what reference number of the Rolex that we are referring to, but yeah, quite a nice one. Oh, the bezel, yeah, the bezel, as you know, mentioned by a few other YouTubers, you can see that the bezel is, yeah, that's pretty horrible. Oh man, that sucks. Anyway, so yeah, the bezel sucks. That is immediately established. We have quite a lot of other. Wow, the case is fully polished, I think. Okay, and we have this beautiful sunburst dial with that relative chronometer, no, chronometer, officially certified, or whatever that is. And we have nicely signed, nicely signed crown over there. Oh no, it's not focusing. And we have a polish, but the bracelet is, you know what, this is kind of cool, man. The buckle, yeah, there is a Tevise writing over there, and you can see here that there's a weight to it. There's quite weight to it, you know, so it's not really that bad. Okay, so we'll take off this plastic and we'll do a resizing, and yeah, I will wear this watch for maybe about 1 week before we do a full review of this watch. So yes, that's all for me for this unboxing of my first ever Chinese made watch. Fully Chinese made watch. Okay, so anyway, let's check out the back. Wow, there's a rotor, nicely decorated rotor over there, and we have the price tag of 1,380 RMB. I didn't pay that. I will let you guys know the actual price that I've paid for this one in the full review. So yep, pretty excited to get this horrible horrible bezel watch. Anyway, so yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.